If this is your first time entering the workspace, Slackbot will ask you to send a message. Type in whatever you want and hit enter. Next, Slackbot will give you a quick tour. Here you're being shown the channels. Channels are where you hold conversations based on a topic. Every new member is automatically added to the public channels, general, random, rules, and Slack improvements. Next are the direct messages. These are for private one-on-one conversations or for a small group. You should not use the direct messages for groups that are made for a specific topic, as you cannot add or delete people from the direct message chat freely. First-time users will receive a message from UHCL Bot with the workspace rules. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to send them out in the Rules or Slack Improvements channels. Now, let's explore the channels we are in. First is General. If you scroll here, you can see the channel topic. The channel topic describes what the channel is about and lets you and others know what type of communications will occur for that channel. General is where you may see school announcements, event information, or other school news. Feel free to use this channel to advertise your organizations and its events here. Random is a place for non-school conversations. You may expect posts about local sports, local events, etc. Rules is a place to talk about the Slack rules. You may use it to ask questions about the rules or report those that are breaking the rules. Finally, Slack Improvements is where you can suggest new rules or guidelines. This is also where you would request public channels for your organization. Now let's explore all the public channels. Click on Channels and all the public channels will appear. Here, any student can look for topics they want to discuss or any organizations they may be interested in joining and can easily communicate with the organization members. Let's say I want to look into the computer science channel. Simply click on the channel and you'll be given a sneak peek of the channel. If it interests you, simply click on Join Channel and you will be automatically added to the channel. Now, let's make our own channel. Members are allowed to make private channels at any time. To do so, simply click the plus button next to channels. Enter your channel information and invite members. Keep in mind, others will not be able to see this channel and will not be able to join the channel without an invitation. Finally, click Create Channel. Once the channel is made, I can send out a message and only those in the channel will be notified.
You can use various commands to notify specific people within the channel. The @channel command notifies everyone in the channel. @here notifies everyone that is currently online. You can also notify a specific person by using the @ and then the person's display name. Here we just use two types of responses, one through a thread and one without. Thread responses should be used every time someone is responding to another. Non-thread responses should only be used for a new subject or conversation. Think of threads as Facebook status. You wouldn't post a status and look for responses via other people's status. Instead, you would post a status and look for a response in the comments, or in a thread for Slack. This way, we can better keep track of what was said and what that was in response to. Let's go over how to create a thread again. First, you hover over the message you want to respond to, then you click the second icon from the left, and you add your reply under the original message. Here you can see this message should have been in a thread response to, "Where do you want to study?" and not a message on its own. You can also send pictures and files in the chat. However, this picture is not appropriate for this channel, as the channel topic is for calculus study group information. This type of message should be sent out in another channel with the topic for non-study group communications. Here you can see how the message should have been sent out correctly. All responses to a message are in a thread, and you don't have to skim through the responses of another topic to get the information you're looking for. Here, I am sending a message about a new topic and not as a reply to anything, so I'm sending it in the chat as a non-thread message. I feel this is such an important message, I want everyone in the channel to access it easily. So I will pin the message in the chat by hovering over the message and clicking the icon on the far right and selecting Pin to Channel. Now everyone that selects View Pinned Items will be able to see the saved messages for that channel. You can also change your notification preferences for the channel. Simply click on the channel name and select Notification Preferences. This may be good to use for less important channels, like a random channel made for non-study group communications. It is not recommended to mute more important channels like the study group one here. Here we can see all the types of messages we can send. Let's send a file of our to-do list. Simply go to the Add File section and click From Your Computer and select the file you want to upload. You can edit the title and comment on the file if you wish. When you're done, click Upload. If you catch yourself making a mistake, you can always edit or delete the message by hovering on the message and clicking the icon on the far right. Here a bunch of options for the message will show up. Let's edit this message to say final will be next Friday at 2 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. Click Save Changes and the message will be updated. We can even invite others through the text bar. Simply type in /invite space @ and the person's display name. Here I am adding the app Polly, so I can be able to create polls in the channel. Click Invite to Channel and the user will be added in. Now I want to use the app to make a poll. Simply type /Polly, the name of the poll, and click Enter. Poll options will then appear. Simply click on the options you want for the type of poll you need. Click Submit to Channel and the channel will now be able to enter their own answer for the poll. Let's say you want to remove a person from the chat. Simply go to the text box and type /kick or /remove and @ and the person's display name. Confirm you are removing the user and the user will no longer be in the channel. The user will still be in the workspace and you can continue to interact with the user through direct messages or any other channel they are in. Now let's say you want a new public channel to be created. Simply go to the public channel Slack Improvements and request the channel. Remember, the purpose of public channels is to be accessible to the entire school, not just a select few. We may ask for more information on the channel and we'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. Now that our public channel has been created and approved, let's go join it. Simply click on Channels and type in your channel name. Ours is COE for College of Education, so we will search for that. Select the channel, click Join Channel, and you will be added to the channel. Let's add a topic. Click Add a Topic below the channel name, type in whatever you wish, and click Set Topic. Now let's set up a profile. Click on the workspace name on the top left corner, click on Profile and Account, and click on Edit Profile. You will be shown various fields you can fill out, most of which are optional. Let's add a profile picture. Click on your icon, select the image you wish to use, and click Save Profile Photo. Let's add some more information about us. Click the field under What I Do and type in whatever you wish. Click Save Changes and your profile will be updated. Let's say I want to change my notification settings for the workspace. Simply click on the workspace name and select Preferences. You will be shown a page with various options. A really handy feature is under the Do Not Disturb section, where you can edit and set a time period when you will not receive notifications for the entire workspace. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us in the Slack Improvements channel.